Making the most of your Caribbean cruise. A guide to spectacular sea days. When people think about Caribbean cruises, their minds often drift to pristine beaches, exotic ports, and island adventures. However, the days spent at sea can be equally magical and memorable if you know how to make the most of them. Sea days offer a unique opportunity to fully experience the floating resort that is your cruise ship, creating memories that rival any shore excursion. Many cruisers initially view sea days with a mix of anticipation and concern. While some welcome the chance to relax and unwind, others worry about potential boredom or feeling trapped. The key to transforming these days into highlights of your voyage lies in understanding the wealth of opportunities available and approaching them with a spirit of adventure. The morning of a sea day presents its own special charm. Unlike port days, where you might need to rush to meet early excursion times, sea days allow you to ease into the day at your own pace. Consider starting with a sunrise yoga session on the deck, where the gentle ocean breeze and the sound of waves create a perfect setting for mindfulness. Alternatively, early risers can claim prime spots by the pool or enjoy a peaceful breakfast on their private balcony, watching the endless horizon unfold before them. One often overlooked aspect of sea days is the opportunity to explore parts of the ship that might be crowded during port days. The spa, for instance, frequently offers sea day specials, allowing you to indulge in treatments while most passengers are sunbathing. The fitness center, typically bustling early on port days, becomes more accessible, offering chances to try specialized classes or work with personal trainers without the usual wait times. Dining takes on a new dimension during sea days. Many specialty restaurants offer lunch service exclusively on these days, providing an opportunity to experience premium dining at a lower cost than dinner service. Culinary enthusiasts can participate in cooking demonstrations, wine tastings, or even chef's table experiences that offer behind-the-scenes glimpses into the ship's culinary operations. These events often require advance reservation, but provide unique insights into the art of maritime gastronomy. Entertainment options multiply significantly during sea days. Cruise lines schedule their most elaborate productions and activities when all passengers are aboard. From Broadway-style shows to comedy clubs, live music venues to movie screenings under the stars, the options seem endless. Many ships also offer enrichment programs during sea days, featuring lectures on upcoming ports, art appreciation sessions, or workshops on various topics from digital photography to ballroom dancing. The pool deck transforms into a vibrant hub of activity during sea days. Beyond swimming and sunbathing, you might encounter pool Olympics, dance classes, or competitive games with prizes. Smart cruisers know to explore different deck areas throughout the day, as each offers its own atmosphere. Adult-only areas provide peaceful retreats, while main pools buzz with energy and entertainment. One of the hidden gems of sea days is the opportunity for social connection. Organized activities like trivia contests, card tournaments, and group games create natural environments for meeting fellow passengers. Many cruisers form lasting friendships during these casual encounters, sharing stories and travel experiences while participating in shipboard activities. The ship's design often includes quiet corners and hidden spots, perfect for peaceful moments. Library lounges, observation decks, and secluded bars can become personal sanctuaries for reading, journaling, or simply watching the ocean pass by. These lesser-known areas often provide the most authentic maritime experience, allowing you to feel the gentle movement of the ship and connect with the seafaring tradition. As the day progresses, the atmosphere aboard ship evolves. Afternoon tea might offer a refined interlude, complete with finger sandwiches and scones served by white-gloved waiters. Art auctions, while sometimes overlooked, can provide entertaining experiences even for those not interested in purchasing, often accompanied by complimentary champagne and engaging presentations about the featured works. Evening brings its own special magic to sea days. Sunset gatherings on deck become social events, with passengers gathering to witness nature's daily spectacle. Formal nights, typically scheduled on sea days, transform the ship into a floating celebration, with passengers dressed in their finest attire and the atmosphere charged with excitement. These evenings often feature special menus in the main dining rooms and increased entertainment options throughout the vessel. Photography enthusiasts find sea days particularly rewarding. The changing light conditions, from dawn to dusk, create countless opportunities for capturing unique moments. Ships often position themselves to maximize scenic sailing, particularly in areas known for whale watching or spectacular sunsets. Professional photographers aboard also offer workshops and sessions during sea days, helping passengers improve their skills. For families, sea days provide valuable opportunities for both togetherness and individual pursuits. Children's programs run full schedules of age-appropriate activities, allowing parents to enjoy adult-oriented entertainment or quiet time. Family-friendly events like scavenger hunts, talent shows, and game tournaments create memorable shared experiences while accommodating different interests and energy levels. The key to maximizing sea days lies in finding the right balance between scheduled activities and spontaneous relaxation. While the daily program offers a wealth of options, there's no obligation to fill every moment with organized events. Sometimes the most memorable experiences come from unplanned moments. A casual conversation with new friends, a peaceful hour watching the waves, or discovering a perfect spot for reading with an ocean view. Experienced cruisers often suggest reviewing the ship's daily program the night before, marking a few must-do activities while leaving plenty of room for impromptu decisions. This approach ensures you don't miss out on popular events while maintaining the flexibility that makes sea days special. As your cruise progresses, you'll likely develop your own rhythm for sea days, finding favorite spots and activities that resonate with your personal style of vacation. Whether you prefer active engagement in ship activities or quiet contemplation of the ocean's vastness, sea days offer the freedom to create your perfect maritime experience. Remember that sea days are not just transitions between ports, but integral parts of the cruise experience. They provide unique opportunities to fully appreciate the engineering marvel that is a modern cruise ship, to connect with fellow travelers, and to experience the timeless romance of ocean travel. By approaching these days with curiosity and openness, you'll discover that they can become highlights of your Caribbean cruise adventure, offering memories as rich and varied as any port of call.